All right, guys, I got a Sears chainsaw. This goes way back. I used to have that old Barracuda chain on it that would slice and dice you if you got close to it. I think they finally said it was unsafe, but I'm gonna start it up. The saw, for as old as it is in pretty good shape. The bar is in good shape. Got a good sharp chain on it. The only thing is the air filters are kind of jury-rigged. I don't know if you can find a spare cover for it or not, but I'm gonna start it up, let you hear it run. Bear with me just a second. If you look, it's cutting big chunks. Look at my clothes down here, right there. Cut that. She got a lot of power, but it's an old saw, but it runs good.